about -5 degrees in Celsius outside, so we need to keep this house warm. This is our bedroom. This is quite traditional. It's called pönttöuuni in Finnish. This keeps the warm really well with the small amount of wood, so it's really effective heat source. We tend to use this kind of fire starters. Now we need to go out and get some water from our well. We need to make the dishes. We've had many people with the Christmas Eve here, and we've had lovely dinners and lunches, so a lot of dishes to do in the sauna. Lähdetäänkö hommeen? We need to have electricity for the pump, which is in our well. Lili, jätä. Jätä. It's fun to do this with the puppy. Well, she's quite young, 9 months old. And she thinks I'm playing with her. I'm not plugging it yet because now we need something else to... It's in sauna to keep it warm. We are keeping this in sauna because if this is frozen inside, the water won't come out. So let's hope, we had sauna yesterday evening, that this is warm enough. We'll see. Now I plugged it there. There's a pump already in there in the water. And now I need to take this to sauna and then put the electricity on, and we'll see, do we get water. Lilli, jätä. 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 Kiitos. Lilli. Lilli, jätä. All right, moment of truth. Yay! It takes about half an hour to get enough water. This is 80-liter water bucket, and you heat it here. Please check out our sauna video where we explain how to use this and how to be in sauna. We need hot water, and then we do need cold water. We have 2 buckets for the cold water because we also need water for the animals as well. So we try to get as much water in now than possible because this all takes time. And I don't know if you have you seen in our story that we are homesteading with full-time jobs, so all the chores in here, especially in the winter time, takes a lot of time, and the time that we have daylight nowadays in this time of the year, it's only a few hours, so we rather do this when it's light and not in a full darkness. We do have a full darkness here in countryside since there ain't any street lights. Like you see, this water is really clear. We Finland have very, very nice and pure water. So how do we wash here? If you're interested in. This is where we mix the hot water and the cold water for the right temperature. And then we have this kind of a camping shower. This is really useful in many ways with long hair, and also this saves a lot of water. We have noticed that we use so much less water with this. It's handy, especially in the summertime, when sometimes our well tends to dry if it's a dry summer and not so many rains. Alright, this is full. I use this to keep this in here. And now I will put the fire in here because we need to do the dishes. We need the hot water. We always do this kind of a quite small pieces of wood. It will heat up better and it warms the water a lot better and a lot quicker. We have told you that we have electricity in here but no running water. So where's our toilet? I guess you've already, all of you have been wondering that. Well, maybe not, but this is the reality in here. It's outhouse, it's outdoors. This is our tiny log house, that it's our outhouse, our toilet. We have compost toilet there, it works really well. It doesn't smell, it's not unpleasant. The only issue is that we do have a outdoor temperature there. But hey, you get used to that. I don't care. And that seat is material that feels really warm. I don't miss the normal toilet or the flushing toilet at all. We use what comes out of there after composting in our garden after 2 years of composting time, so it's very usable also. Like you see, we do have a sink. You can load this by using USB port. Water comes to this bucket, so no other pipes or nothing goes out of this house. So every time this fills up, we need to empty it. And this is the source for the clean water that comes from this tap. It's quite empty now, so I need to fill it. This is really simple solution, but it works really well. Simple solutions in simple life. This is what it is to live without no running water or no pipes. The benefit of this is that when it's simple as this in our simple life, we don't need to worry about the pipes that they will froze during winter. We don't need to worry about septic tanks or anything like that, and we don't have any expenses what comes to the water or what comes to the pipes or what comes to the drainage. And we don't miss the pipes. We are really happy with this solution and it works well for us. For example, this really nice tap we bought from Amazon has been really a great improvement for us, because nowadays we have a place other than sauna where we can clean our hands or do even dishes if we want. But since there is a small space in here, and especially in the winter time, we have that 80 liter of warm water in sauna. We like to do the dishes there. So this is mainly for washing our hands and things like that. And this dishwasher you see behind me, it's not working, it's not connected to anywhere. We don't have pipes, like said, we don't have drainage inside. And how we are able to use it, since we don't have any pipes or anything? Well, we have a pressure water pump that creates the pressure that this kind of dishwasher needs. There is just a hose which goes to the bucket as well. And this is really handy in the summer times, because it only uses somewhere around 13 liters per wash. So less water than doing the dishes by hand. And of course it's a time saver also. This is the only one place we could fit this for the wintertime storage. We cannot storage that in our outdoor kitchen, since that it's fully outdoor space with the outdoor temperature, so that will broke if we left it there. So that's why we need to carry it inside here, and this is the place where it is. Well, it's in our kitchen, but we cannot use it during the winter time. It waits for the spring, like we and our garden. Yeah, hope you got some kind of a idea of what it is to live like this without no running water. So how do we clean our clothes? During the winter we use this simple washing machine. It works in electricity, and you just pour water in here. It won't heat, so you need to use the precise warmth of the water that you prefer for those clothes. This is really quick, easy, and it works really well with the normal clothes. And what's best that this is quite light to carry and move around.
So this wire is already frozen. I will bring this back to sauna, and it's ready to use after we have warmed the sauna again. Oh. And then unplug the letku. And this will also go to the sauna, waiting for the next sauna heating and pumping the water again. That's how it goes here. They are having their own sauna now. Yes. Here are some hooks. We have 6 of these hooks. And I'm wondering if we can make a plate to this wire and other stuff. But I think maybe this needs a couple of hooks by once.
Wintertime storage, so that they are always warm and usable for us.
Yes, when you are heating the sauna, they are here also and they will warm up. Yes, maybe I put a couple of these side by side here and other 2 there. Oh, the water is boiling. The water is boiling. It's great. It took maybe half an hour. 80 liters of boiling water. That's great. Okay, now it's ready. And it's perfect. It's just perfect. Yes. So happy.
Christmas dishes, 7-person, lot to do. We'll do this in the winter time, preferably in sauna, because there we have lots of warm water. Although we do have a sink in the kitchen, even though we don't have drainage, it just goes to the bucket. So it's really much easier to do these kind of dishes in sauna, and we always do the dishes in sauna in the winter time. It's nice and warm in here. It's somewhere around +25 in Celsius, so no need for jacket. Like normal, I'll start from the cleanest dishes. I try to use as hot water as I can tolerate, and normally I use the gloves, but somebody had left them outside and they were damp inside, so I cannot use it. And I don't mind about doing this by hand. It takes time, but when it's weekend or now it's the Christmas day, we have plenty of time. This may take half an hour or something, but I can be myself and think about whatever and just But when it's the working day, then it kind of feels more like a mandatory stuff that you need to just handle, and that's not always fun because you have so lot of work that all takes a lot of time. So, but this is how days goes in here without any running water. We still manage really well. And in the summertime it's a lot easier. No frost, no snow, and we have a water pump that kind of creates a pressure. So it's a lot easier, and in the summertime we even have a dishwasher in our outdoor kitchen. Our cat came here, so Pulla is there. She always follows us in here when we are doing our chores. But hey, thanks for being here with us. Please consider subscribing and also press the notification bell so you will know when we will put another video, and like if you do, and see you in the next one. Bye!